Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell an item on the Steam Marketplace. So let's go on over to Community and then go to Market right here. And then at the top, we can see our wallet balance under here, our inventory, whatnot. But we can go to Sell Item and we can select this. And then we have to pick an item to sell. So we can go to all if we just go to Steam, but I'm going to go to Counter-Strike and then choose one of these cases. So I don't have too many items, but you can see the item value if we select it and scroll down. And here is the marketplace in the last 24 hours for this specific item. 221 of these have sold, and the last time it went for around $6.92. So I can sell it probably around like $6.50 and be good. So let's do that. Let's select CSGO Weapon Case 3 and then go to Sell right here. And you can kind of see the value throughout the month. So it looks like it went down to about $5.99 a couple different times. So maybe that's not bad. I just really want to sell it. I don't care. But the price really, let's go $5.99. And the buyer pays $6.87. Okay? So I can even bump it down a little bit later if I want to sell a little bit quicker. And then I can go to agree right here. So the buyer pays about $6.32. And then let's go to OK, put it up for sale. And marketplace listings will be held for 50 days. You do not need to be using the Authenticator app. Alright, so we can go to OK. And additional confirmation needed. In order to list this item on the community marketplace, you need to complete additional verification steps. An email has been sent to your account, and you have to go to the email and just verify it. And then that should be listed on your Steam account. So there are a little bit extra steps. So I just have my phone open right now. I can easily just go to my email and just verify that. But once I do that, I should be able to buy and trade stuff. So you can see it's right here. And it should be good. It's just waiting for a confirmation. It says it right here. So I'm just going to go to my email and just verify that quick. And then I should be good to go. So this is an easy way to make a little bit of extra money. So if you want to go ahead and just sell things that you purchased or got on Steam, go ahead. Alright, so I'm on my, my phone right now. I'm just going to go to create listing. And I should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.